I found you in the darkness when I almost couldn't go on. I was tired, worn down by the living, but you showed me I was still strong. With that single tooth from one sticking out, one tooth, that's how everyone knew you by name. From that day on, you never left my side. Not a day without me, not a step without you is the same. You were my safe place, my best friend, my home, my heart. From sharing lunches to falling asleep, always together, never apart. I carry you with me every day inside, even now that you're no longer here. Rafi, love, I miss you more than words can make clear. We had spa days right on the couch, face masks on, bathrobes tight, you beside